Welcome back to AZ Timeless Motorcycles. Today we're touring America to uncover 15 classic motorcycles for sale, featuring real listings, real prices, and timeless machines still waiting for the right rider.
Beautiful.
Number 1. 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, Indiana, for $1,000. This 1974 Harley-Davidson Ironhead represents the raw mechanical era of American motorcycling. Finished in classic red, this bike retains its original right-side shift, keeping the riding experience true to the period. The seller notes that it runs well, features custom pipes, and comes with a new battery, making it a strong candidate for riders who appreciate vintage character without sacrificing usability. With a clean title and openness to cash or trade, this Ironhead offers flexibility for buyers. It's an old-school Harley that delivers unmistakable sound, presence, and mechanical simplicity, ideal for collectors or riders seeking an authentic 1970s Harley experience. Number 2. 1974 Triumph TR6 Trophy Trail, Wisconsin, for $1,500. The Triumph TR6 Trophy Trail is one of the most collectible dual-purpose British motorcycles ever produced. This 1974 example is described as super rare and remains in excellent condition, running and driving properly. Known for its lightweight feel and versatile design, the TR6 blends off-road styling with street capability. This bike appears largely stock and retains the qualities Triumph collectors search for: originality, rideability, and historical significance. With a clean title and strong mechanical condition, this trophy trail is not just a display piece. It's a functional classic that stands out in any vintage lineup. Number 3. 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket, Pennsylvania, $3,000. This 1965 BSA Lightning Rocket delivers classic British twin-cylinder charm with honest ownership history. Recently tuned by a Triumph and BSA specialist, it runs well and has been regularly maintained with annual oil changes. While it shows typical vintage traits, such as a minor oil seep and a non-functioning horn, it remains a solid, usable machine. The seller includes extra fluids and even a motorcycle jack, adding practical value. With a Pennsylvania title in hand, this Lightning Rocket offers a genuine riding experience for enthusiasts who appreciate mechanical authenticity and classic British engineering. Number 4. 1956 Triumph TR6 Trophy, East Dundee, Illinois, for $1,550. This 1956 Triumph TR6 Trophy is a striking example of British pre-unit engineering, styled with vintage racer and scrambler influence. Featuring upgraded Serieni front forks and Koni rear shocks, the bike offers improved handling, while retaining classic character. High-mounted exhaust pipes and a Bates seat complete the period-correct look. Mechanically, it runs and shifts well, supported by a rebuilt magneto for dependable starting. The included Vermont registration simplifies ownership and title transfer nationwide. For collectors or riders seeking a classic Triumph with both visual impact and mechanical integrity, this TR6 Trophy delivers unmistakable heritage. Number 5. 1982 Kawasaki KZ100, Cedar Falls, Iowa, $2,200. The 1982 Kawasaki KZ100 represents the muscle era at its peak, offering strong performance and unmistakable 1980s presence. With 30,000 miles, this example is described as being in very good condition, free from major cosmetic damage. The KZ100 is known for its powerful inline-4 engine and straight-line acceleration, making it one of the fastest bikes of its time. Black paint gives it a clean, aggressive appearance, perfectly suited to its performance-focused reputation. At this price, it offers an accessible entry into vintage Japanese performance motorcycles with serious road presence. Number 6. 1980 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH, Tulsa, Oklahoma, $3,500. This 1980 Harley-Davidson Ironhead XLH has been extensively refreshed, blending classic Harley attitude with thoughtful upgrades. Featuring an 1,100 cubic centimeters engine with a bore kit, both top and bottom ends have been rebuilt using performance components. Enhancements include upgraded suspension, an S&S Super E carburetor, modern LED lighting, and a Saddlemen custom seat. Powder-coated frame and engine add durability and visual appeal. Importantly, the original parts are included, giving buyers flexibility for restoration or personalization. This Ironhead offers strong mechanical value and classic Harley character in a well-maintained package. Number 7. 1972 Suzuki GT750 Water Buffalo, Wichita, Kansas, $9,400. The 1972 Suzuki GT750, famously known as the Water Buffalo, is one of the most significant Japanese motorcycles ever produced. As a three-cylinder two-stroke with liquid cooling, it broke new ground in the early 1970s. This one-owner example is presented in excellent condition, recently serviced with carburetors cleaned and new gaskets installed. With its smooth power delivery and unique exhaust note, the GT750 has become highly collectible. Clean examples continue to rise in value, making this listing especially appealing to serious collectors and enthusiasts of vintage engineering milestones. Number 8. 1984 BMW K1100 Cafe Racer, South Elgin, Illinois, $12,500. This custom-built 1984 BMW K1100 Cafe Racer is a true one-of-one machine, blending classic BMW reliability with bold modern styling. Inspired by AMG design elements, the build features extensive custom work and unique lighting details throughout. Every component was carefully selected to create a cohesive, aggressive cafe racer aesthetic, while retaining the solid mechanical foundation BMW is known for. This bike is ideal for collectors seeking exclusivity or riders who want something visually striking and mechanically dependable. Its uniqueness sets it apart from traditional restorations or factory original examples. Number 9. 1986 Yamaha Virago 700, Marion, Indiana, $1,650. The 1986 Yamaha Virago 700 offers a comfortable and capable classic cruiser platform with strong performance. Equipped with a V-twin engine, dual front disc brakes, and twin carburetors, it delivers smooth power and confident stopping ability. This example has just under 24,000 miles and is described as starting, running, and stopping properly. Finished in blue with abundant chrome, it presents well and offers excellent comfort for longer rides. Priced attractively as a seasonal listing, it provides strong value for riders seeking a reliable vintage cruiser. Number 10. 1973 Suzuki RV125, Lexington, Oklahoma, $1,400. The Suzuki RV125 is known for its playful design, wide balloon tires, and easygoing nature. Designed to handle a variety of terrain, it became popular for recreational riding and light trail use. This 1973 example has been in storage for a couple of years, but previously ran and comes with a title. Its simple construction makes it approachable for maintenance and restoration. As interest in small displacement vintage bikes continues to grow, the RV125 stands out as an affordable and character-filled entry into classic motorcycle ownership. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to AZ Timeless Motorcycles for more classic motorcycles for sale across the USA.